Before diving into the details of the Keychron K8 Tenkeyless wireless mechanical keyboard, it's important to note that the link to purchase this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment for your convenience. This keyboard is an excellent choice for users who want a versatile, high-quality mechanical keyboard optimized for both Mac and Windows systems. Featuring an 87-key Tenkeyless layout, it saves desk space while still providing essential navigation keys like Home, End, and Page Up. The white backlight enhances visibility in low-light environments, complemented by OEM profile shine-through keycaps that ensure every key is easy to see. One of the standout features of the Keychron K8 is its dual connectivity options. You can connect up to 3 devices simultaneously via Bluetooth 5.1 and switch between them seamlessly, making multitasking across devices effortless. Additionally, the keyboard supports a reliable USB Type-C wired connection, perfect for gaming or situations where low latency is critical. The tactile brown switches provide satisfying feedback with a moderate actuation force, striking a balance between typing comfort and gaming responsiveness. With an impressive 50 million keystroke lifespan